New teacher on the block, Andrea Thompson. Justice Andrea Thompson schooled ISAT Buchanan and his legal team. Boy, oh boy, people. I don't want to say I told y'all so, but god damn it, man. I told y'all so. I know it's upon YouTube. Check it facts. If I know My Dream Podcast, if I know me RTEL, nobody else, not one single person. I heard point out the obvious fact that the man them still convicted, but nobody no want listen. Them say them away upon the king's letter, and when the king's letter come out, me tell you say the biggest mistake that, because you see when me read the king's letter there, me say well on them man, them not being illegally detained, they're being rightfully detained, they're still convicted until the appeal court of Jamaica make a decision. That decision by the king does not take effect. I'm going to point that out over and over and over again, backed by facts, backed by the king's letter. And the man them a call me village liar. Imagine that. Them liar, them quote unquote liar will pass the bar. Not big and bad like this a village liar. Yeah. So my question to each and every one of you watching right now, drop a comment. Tell me if I true. Tell me if I that me say. Tell me when me about to read right now from Justice Andrea Thomas. If it wasn't the same thing I told y'all when the judge schooled ISAT Buchanan. Because I schooled ISAT Buchanan before the judge did. But ISAT is an idiot. You know that go already. I quote Justice Andrea Thomas put on a near 50-minute masterclass on Thursday as she ruled that the present incarcerated status of dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel and two men he was previously convicted with on a murder charge did not breach the Constitution. During submission for the writ of habeas corpus, which started on Wednesday, Justice Thomas promised attorney at law ISAT Buchanan, who filed on the trio's behalf, that he and his respondents would be schooled in her judgment. Me want Vybz Kartel and me want the Gaza fans them numerous times. ISAT Buchanan is a snake oil salesman. The brother the ISAT Buchanan and the rest of liar them a take Vybz Kartel to the cleaners. I'm all the time bank account. Them a mine him. Them a dig out everything all time. Hey, me tell you no. Me tell you no. The only thing I could think to myself is that Vybz Kartel forced him to do this. Me can't believe, me refuse to believe that. That can't make no sense. That the man actually fooled Vybz Kartel again. It have to be Vybz Kartel. I say, do something. I say, me can't do nothing, but yo, try some. Alright, me I go try this. And him say, go on man, try it. It have to be a case where Vybz Kartel push him to try something. That was a public spectacle of madness and embarrassment for Vybz Kartel and his legal team. It shows that they're completely belligerent to the law, completely ignorant to the law. Either that or them just a lie bold face that try scam the system. Because as I said, if the justice was to release Vybz Kartel, it would be illegal. And I said that any judge who release Vybz Kartel would be removed from office and charged, because it would be illegal. There is no grounds, no law, nothing for them actually use a writ of habeas corpus to get them out. But them say me a mad person. Them beat me, them conk me, them fight me. But look here now, the judge has schooled them on the very same thing I pointed out to them. I mean, after all, me never got school for law, but me have enough sense. A writ of habeas corpus is used to determine whether a person's fundamental right in the Constitution that protects against unlawful and indefinite imprisonment is being breached. Them could have talk till them turn blue, talk till them turn white, talk till them turn purple and all other colors, people. The fact is this, the man them conviction was quashed, but it does not take effect until the Jamaica Court of Appeals make a decision on the matter, whether they will acquit or actually have a retrial. Until they make a determination, Ladies and gentlemen, the man them still have the conviction to them name. And that me been a try to tell them, but them not listen. They may take. So them run go file writ of habeas corpus when I have nothing to do with Vybz Kartel situation, right? Them know this now have nothing. I try ISAT Buchanan and I try a long shot at Hail Mary, one bag of nonsense in my try. I mean I say, brother, what are you doing? Especially the fact that the hearing is coming up June 10th, right around the corner, less than 2 weeks away. Why would you do this? Why are you doing this? This is complete and utter ignorance and belligerentness. But me say, hold on. Make we see what go on and what I go on. Me see if them a buy out the judge. Because in my mind, I must buy them a buy out the judge. I must money. Some greasing of the wheel of the palm. Something must have go on because the only way Vybz Kartel can come out. Only way this judge would have to be the most corrupt judge on the planet. I'm telling you, me tell people wanna drop some comment right now. Wanna tell me if me tell you no. Wanna tell me if me tell you no. She also cited that the application is not a proper case for habeas corpus. The proper recourse for the applicants to seek to pursue their request for release that is a verdict of acquittal in the Court of Appeals. This is not to say this court would not have the jurisdiction in particular circumstances to entertain habeas corpus application, post-conviction and sentence. However, this could arise in circumstances such as applicants being detained without any justifiable reason, having completed serving their sentence, Justice Thomas said. A lot of Jamaicans suffer from comprehension issues. Comprehension, them read. Well, enough of them can read. I'm not the best reader on this planet. However, my comprehension is up there, top-notch comprehension. Reading is fundamental, but you need comprehension. A lot of people, them are hear, but them not listen. You see me? Them are gonna tell us, me a listen, man, me a listen. No, them are hear. Them are hear for respond. You see what I say? Them claim say them a listen, but what them a do, them want to hear what you say, so them can rebut. Them not actually listen for comprehend. Them not actually let the knowledge soak in. But then again, people are work off of feelings. And when it come to Vybz Kartel, the Gaza sheep them. Feelings. One bag of feelings. The judge added, until the verdict of acquittal has been entered, the charge of murder against the applicants remains. Oh my God. Oh, no. Jesus Christ, Father. After them beat me senseless on the internet, after them beat me and berate me on the internet, disrespect me in the worst way, tell me I'm a bad mind, or me this and me that, and me 30 piece of silver, and you just a chat off your mouth and rare. But look here, the judge I tell you no, where me been I tell you no. Where me been I tell you no. A man said to me, say, you can't call them convict. Me say, yes I can, they're still convicted. Until the Court of Appeals make a decision, them still convicted. But people are saying me a this and me a that. Me say, listen to me, una have to use una brain. The thing take precedence, the order. You have to follow the order. And if you read the King's letter, it was remitted back to the Court of Appeals, right? So the Court of Appeals have to make a decision whether for retry or acquit. Listen and listen to me good. Now just hear me out, you know. Listen, comprehend. The Privy Council could have freed Vybz Kartel, but they did not. The evidence they saw was enough. They believed it was more than enough to convict Vybz Kartel and his co-convicts. They believed it. However, the course of justice was perverted because of juror tampering. So they remitted it back to the Court of Appeals to make a decision if it is worth it for the Jamaica justice system to go back through that financial strain for them to spend time getting this conviction. If it is worth it to the Jamaican justice system, it is up to them. And the appeal court, the Court of Appeal, will determine that when them hear the skeleton arguments from both sides. They will make it. Those three justices will make a determination if it is worth it. If it is worth it to actually make this retrial happen. So no, Vybz Kartel was not acquitted. Only about squash and null and void and one bag of rare when me hear una say. First of all, it is quashed, not squashed. But the point I am making to y'all, just to make it clear, no brain, but man acquitted, man conviction get turned back on this and that, based on what? Based on juror tampering? based on juror misconduct. You're not stop on things, say the evidence was more than enough to actually get the conviction. If the Privy Council, the king quote unquote, saw there was enough to actually acquit him, he would have been acquitted. And that you not pay attention to. As long as the charge remains, and in light of the fact that they're in custody by virtue of an order of a competent court, it cannot be said that the superintendent of the prison is refusing to release them is acting unlawfully. Feelings, the fans them a operate off. But me telling you say ISAT Buchanan and Vybz Kartel have been misleading the fans them. And mislead the people them. Have the people them a come out here on social media, I embarrass themselves. That is why I rebut these videos. Over and over me hear people are saying things, me say you no say go. You no know the law. You no no brain. You chat be a nonsense. You see all the woman angel, me tell you yesterday, you know. Make sure you keep the same energy today, you know. The same energy. Nobody come say the system this and the system that and the court system. Remember you say it work. It do work. You remember that part there? It do work. Me warn you because you believe it was gonna go your way. But I guaranteed it would not. It cannot. It could never. It could never. The judge could not circumvent the Privy Council and circumvent the appeal court. That would not make. That's impossible. Mr. Andrea Thomas, school them on them. School them wicked. Well, everybody gets school right here. So, because Andrea make them know, say, listen, man. You see the respondent is the DPP. Claudette them. Don't point out, say, listen, everything seal, everything connect, everything competent. So, when the money are talking about a foolishness, and on the contrary, the quote-unquote ISAT Buchanan and film team no provide no evidence, nothing for sure say the man they are being held unlawfully, they're being detained unlawfully, them not have no grounds to stand upon, neither one being a bit. Me or someone said it was a Hail Mary. Me say Hail Mary, brother, there was nothing there, nothing. It is madness. Father, people, no come here, the party, people. She then denied the writ of habeas corpus. No order for cause was imposed. Buchanan then rose to his feet in defeat. Rose to his feet in defeat. I will write this. A chubla go on here, so the green, I want the pod. Gracefully, my lady, I like the last order, and I thank you for schooling me today. Might I take my leave now? He asked before almost instantaneously disappearing. My God. I like that wording right there. You see me? He asked before almost instantaneously disappearing. Wow. ISAT Buchanan. Where say ISAT? My lady, me. I like the last order, and I thank you for schooling me today. Big ol' Googlebat, big ol' idiot liar boy. Forward over here, sir, man. Come, boop. You chat too much foolishness. Hey, all the party, you know, people where the court, they jam pack, you know, one bag of people in attendance, you know. Yeah, they had to go to a bigger courtroom. Yeah, man, Judge Brian Sykes, me, I say, I wonder if them did that try pack up a courtroom so them carry it over Brian Sykes so him can do what him do normally, let out criminals. Oi, sir, you know me I talk about, you know, oi, sir. I don't trust Brian Sykes even though I'm the top judge in the country. I don't trust the highest judge in the country. Judge Brian Sykes. No, Sykes. I can't wait for your leave. Them a try get rid of Paula, but you me want them get rid of you. You look dirty. You look corrupt. But hey, don't say nobody after me, Mr. Sykes. Do what you do normally, criminal. And for clarification, that is my opinion. I do not have any facts to back it up. You see me, nothing has been proven or anything. It's just a feeling I get. You see me, I say, so if them want to sue me for me feelings, cause everybody have feelings. Okay, so I feel me deserve an apology right about now. From all of the Gaza fans them and all of the naysayers, all of the people them would disrespect me and tell me say me chat too much and all of this nonsense when me actually I try to school the people them and school Kartel and school him liars them and the whole lot of them for them to understand that they're being shepherded by a bunch of fools. because the shepherd them a sheep themselves. So it a look like say them have sheep in a shepherd clothing. That me I tell you, a sheep in a shepherd skin, because right about now it look like a bunch of incompetent fools on that side. Embarrassment on that side. And I said it is gonna be a black eye going into June 10th hearing, you know. It's gonna be a black eye because those justices are watch what go on with this. And those justices are gonna say, hold on, if you don't know so you deserve to be acquitted, why you not make them funny move here? Why you not try to circumvent the Court of Appeals and the Privy Council? Why you not go round the actual order from the king? And who no say you not wait upon king's letter? And when king's letter come, you not try go round the king's orders. Make that make sense? And who no ball figure Privy Council? And when you get the order from the Privy Council, you not try circumvent that and try go round that. That no make no sense to me. That is some shaky business, and I can't respect that. If you're fairly new to my channel and my commentaries, well, I can't blame you. But ladies and gentlemen, you're supposed to question the gospel, question the Bible, but no question me. Because when me forward out, backed by facts and sound reasoning and logics, you understand me? Not feelings, not faith. Remember, I know no disrespect to the gospel. I am saying when I work off of faith over here, sir. We are work off of facts, tangible, legit, certified. So when them call me donkey, when me I tell them say, brother, until the Court of Appeal make a decision, the conviction is still standing. And people tell me say, you're an idiot. Me I say, yo, but a common sense that to me, well, to me, in my brain and how me process information, it was common sense. Nothing else made sense to me. Because me I say, hold on, I asked the question from day one. I said, if it was actually null and void and they were acquitted, why would they be behind bars? Why? So until I saw the order from the king, I was asking the question. Once I saw the order, I said, oh, it makes sense now. You need the Court of Appeals to make a decision, and then after that, if they say retrial, then you can seek bail because they will be rearranged, they will be recharged, and then you can seek bail, and even then the bail can be denied because they did not get bail the first time. Why you think them are going to get bail the second time? But that's just me. So if the Court of Appeals say freedom, then it will be freedom, and I don't see how them are going to say freedom when if you acquit them. Unless them want to sign some contracts, say them not going to sue Jamaica, sue the justice system, are the only way me see them get acquitted. But that's far-fetched. I don't see that happening. A retrial will be the order. Yeah, man, that go on for what I go on, people. Beat and teach, complete annihilation and decimation them get. And that you no forget, because you not listen. You ain't too hard. And me warn you know. And me tell you know, all the boy simple vulture, me warn him, you know. Me warn him. I tell him, say, yeah. Them say, a bad mind. But hey, captain of the Vulture Squad, you don't know, so me I gonna line up another video pertaining to this topic, because I have to talk about some more things about this topic over upon Jamaica Breaking News. So when you don't watch this, look out for your video over there, sir. Captain of the Vulture Squad.